this tripod takes so much room. These legs are just driving me crazy. I can't raise up any higher. Is there like anything I could do? Ugh. Luckily, there is something I can do. Now let's get started. Studio. So this one is from Cavix. You can see it right here. I purchased the course with my own income because I am getting driven crazy. So this is a part of my real story because I'm tired of having to take up so much room in a small space. Now when it comes to this camera extension pole, we can see there's a 3/8 female thread here to put onto your tripod. And on this top part, we can see there's a 3/8 thread, but we can see it pushes in to give us a 1/4 inch thread as well. So this 1/4 inch thread, Insta360 link camera, despite it not being 3/8, I can just screw it on. Now with this extension pole, I should be able to close this up a decent amount and still get like the same height easy enough and decrease the amount of room these legs take up. So I can now screw it in on the 3/8 standard thread hole. Okay, there we go. We now got the tripod straight. We can see where it attached. And what if I need more height? Let's keep that tight. Pull it out some more. And now it's even taller, despite having closed more up. So I can now close this up some more. What can I get that has some noticeable weight to this? Well, I'm going to put myself a webcam so I can show my camera, which is small, but with a massive battery pack and a bunch of gear on it. Let's do that. Welcome to my crazy place I'm living in. You see the whiteboard for light balancing with my key lights, and I'm using a key light right now for my camera to light it up, or else this would look totally black because the light right back here, which is a Godex, which I paid for myself. It has a wireless remote. I paid for that myself. That key light that's right there, my camera, my tripod, and my mount, my DD V-Mic D4, which I also review. And I'm going to be releasing a review of this, and my DD Pocket Wireless that I also reviewed. So if you're looking for any of those, there's no favoritism here. Point is, today's review is this pole. How much weight can you tell us on here? Right now, there's not too much weight. We got a small little ZV-1. We got a battery bank, 13,000 milliamp hours, but let's start increasing this. So 20,000 milliamp hour battery added. Got a Rode NTG. Still not much weight. Wait, are you telling me you're still not convinced that's not enough weight? Well, okay, well, mount this Shure MV7X with a shock mount. Here we go. Sadly, I take off the Rode NTG. It wasn't a matter of being too much weight. I just don't seem to have any place to mount it. Or do I? There you go. We now have our Rode NTG with our MV7 on a nice shock mount, 20,000 milliamp battery with our Sony MV7 with a Godox ES45, by the way, light. And seriously, I'm resting my arm on here. It's holding. So if you're concerned about it holding your large camera and lens, it's your tripod that's not going to hold up. Not necessarily this. I believe this outlasts its own rating. This tripod extender pole I found on Amazon.com, and its weight limit is 26 pounds. It's made of 10-layer high-strength carbon fiber. It's very, very strong, actually. I'm surprised how much it holds. I was never contacted by the company. I do not see any reviews, but I decided to check it out. December 25th, 2022, and I purchased this in Canada. Now that we've done some unfathomable, ungodly configurations, it is time to find the measurements of this extension pole. So, height-wise, we are at 8 1/4 inches, or it looks like 21 centimeters. That's not 210, that's millimeters. Now let's extend this fully open. We are just just shy of 14 inches, and that's 35 centimeters. In terms of turning, it's just like a regular tripod, and you can crank it pretty darn tight. I'm not just flexing muscle like this, I'm actually pushing it. So I think this is higher rated than it's actually rated for, like more durable. But the suggested rating is what you should go by. Right now you're watching Not BIOS Studio, but I also have another channel called Not BIOS Tech and Reviews. Links in the description if you want to go to that channel. You can join and help this channel, because any funding goes towards review products. Ask a question, don't know the answer, and it's maybe just something simple. Well, as a member, I'll be giving you exclusive videos that I can answer your questions with. So be specific as possible, and I'll try to do my best to answer your questions. Now this I plan to use with my new tripod. And of course I do different reviews that if you missed on my channel, you can see this. And I still use this for different microphones. We're going to get some other reviews done using this connected to my AT4040 microphone from Audio Technica. This is Eric of Not BIOS Studio. Don't forget to subscribe, help this channel grow. Links below to purchase any items shown in my videos. Thanks again for watching, and have yourselves a most wonderful day.